Good morning. Welcome to Mangalhalto Beach on Aruba. In today's 10-minute routine, we will stretch, tone, and wake up our whole body, literally head to toe. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a new workout with a view next Tuesday. 5 deep breaths to begin. Arms up, breathe in. Arms down, breathe out. Let's warm up our neck. Gently guide your head to the right with your palm. Now feel the lengthening and the stretch on the other side. Now clasp your fingers at the base of your skull and gently pull your head down. Arms up, gentle back bend. Let's now wake up our shoulders. Pull your shoulders up to your ears, hold, and release. 2 more times. Five shoulder circles on your right, opening up your chest for that great posture. Left side now. And both at the same time. 5 circles. Right shoulder to the front, left shoulder to the front. Clasp your hands in front of you, round your back, and hold. Arms travel back, squeeze your shoulder blades, neck stretches back, chest opener. Let's cycle between round back and chest opener. Round back again. Open up that chest. Increase the tempo. Round back, open chest. Round and open. One more time. Let's keep the movement in the chest and back area. Cactus arms, close and open. One more time. Introducing mobility to that shoulder joint. Right arm, circle back 3 times and circle front 3 times. Balance it out on the left. Change direction. Both arms in unison now. 3 circles front and 3 to the back. Hands behind your back, trying to reach those fingertips, maybe touching, maybe even clasping. Breathe. Switching sides, acknowledge if this side is more open or more tight. Introducing a more energized movement to your shoulder blades, squeeze with your elbows bent and then squeeze with your arms straight. Last rep. Engaging your whole upper body, windmill your arms to the left and to the right. Hips are stable, bend at your waist. Feet wider than your shoulders, side body stretch. Let's start with the right side. Rotate your left shoulder, look up to the sky. Time to switch sides. Arm up. Feel that stretch through your side body. Rotate the shoulder, look up. Turn out your right foot, arms out, hinge at your hips, triangle pose. Hold and breathe. Left foot turns out now, arms out, hinge, and triangle on the other side. Feet travel back to shoulders width apart. Let's wiggle our hips. Circle those hips, making those circles as wide as you can. Smile and change directions. Legs ready to work? 6 squats. Weight in the heels, go low. Last one. Round through left foot, right knee comes up. And other side now. Introducing movement to right hip and right ankle. Other side, 6 movements. Knee up and cross over, rotating at your hip joint. Balance it out on the other side. Joints are warmed up, muscles are activated. Let's squat and cross kick. Great job. Curtsy lunge, side to side. Knee over your ankle. Time for a real balancing act. Alternating sides, warrior 3 pose. Slight bend in the standing leg and take flight. One more. Hinging at your hips, get as close to touching your knee and then your ankle. One last one, and let's lunge. Ankle right under your knee and go low, alternating sides. Are you ready for another balancing challenge? Balance trio. Knee up, leg to the side, kick back. 3 more times on this side. Let's check our balance on the other side. Bring up on your tippy toes for those calf raises 6 times. Alternating now 6 times as well. Hinging at your hips, come down now for a forward fold. Clasp your hands behind your head and then start rocking side to side gently. Finishing the way we started with 5 deep breaths, with gratitude for this new day and this beautiful body of yours. Thank you for joining me. I will see you soon.